Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your Polkadot to Metamask. For this video, I'm going to be working with the Binance platform. So in order to send your Polkadot over from Binance to the Metamask, simply open up the Binance platform. Once it's opened, simply make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, in order to transfer your Polkadot from Binance to the MetaMask, it's quite easy to get this done. Head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure that you're at the overview, which houses all of your cryptocurrency. Scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your Polkadot is stored. Once you've located the Polkadot, simply click on it and select the withdrawal option. Once you've done this, send via a crypto network, and we're at the Send Polkadot menu. Now, in order to fill out these details, you're going to have to get them from Metamask. So simply open up your Metamask. Once you've opened up the Metamask, in order to transfer your Polkadot to Metamask, simply make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain. So select the network toggle at the top of the screen and select the BNB Smart Chain. Once you've done this, simply click on the Import Tokens option and search for DOT. And if you cannot find the Polkadot, we're not looking for Polkadot BEP2, we're looking for the native Polkadot on the BNB Smart Chain. If you cannot find it, click on the Custom Tokens option, minimize and open up your browser. By using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you can log on to coinmarketcap.com and simply scroll down from the top to where we have the contract address. Copy the contract address for the BNB Smart Chain Polkadot, minimize and open up Metamask. With Metamask opened up, paste the token address here. Once it's been pasted, the token symbol and decimal will be shown automatically, and you click on Import. Now, once the import has been done successfully, all you need to do to receive the Polkadot tokens is click on the Polkadot token itself, scroll down and select the Receive option, copy the wallet address, minimize, open up the Binance platform, as we are using this to transfer the BEP20 Polkadot. One thing you need to note, guys, is Metamask does not approve of the Polkadot network, so you have to use the Binance Smart Chain network to send your Polkadot. So simply paste the address there, enter the amount of Polkadot you wish to send, and simply click on the withdraw option. Once you've done this, the Polkadot will then be sent out of your Binance and over to the Metamask, where you simply perform a reload and you'll be able to find the Polkadot on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.